Cars, Bradenton, and Florida. Today is the actual event. Today we are doing burnouts. The day we win something. First, second, third, $10,000. That'd be great. We've probably been to 8 of these events and competed in 5 of them. We have the experience now. I think we can get it. Car is running great right now. Klaus is good. This time we have an angle kit that's really gonna help out. We got some brand new tires on the back. We have our new CO2 and water system. Everything's running good. If we can get that belt to stay on, I really think that we have a good chance. And if the belt doesn't stay on, the car's gonna get hot really quick, and I can't blow it. I don't have any money unless you guys want to send me some money. I'll blow it then. But I'm gonna shut it off if it starts overheating, because there's a rod sitting in my dash reminding me not to overheat the car. There have been so many fans out here today, and I've been meeting a whole lot of people. You guys are awesome. Hanging out, we got Earnest Beer that we've been giving away. It's awesome. You can check it out on the Klaus The Barbarian Instagram. We've been taking a picture of everyone with the car, signing a bunch of autographs with the kids, letting them hang out in the car and just check everything out, because we're all about the fans here, all about the kids. You know, we do some skiddings for the kids. We also got Mike, Motorhead Garage Production. He does the books. T is for Turbo is one of them, along with all of them. He's been staying with us all week, and we're just kind of like a partners. Like if you look at his banner, he even made a banner that has both of our companies together.
Because we're lovers, just say it.
Because we're lovers, okay?
Good old boy, dog.
It's a bad omen right there. Oh no! Oh, that's a bad noise. That's a bad noise. Come on, Dalton.
Push start him.
No, we're gonna make him. Go! 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 Yeah! Yeah! Come on, one more! One more! Come on! Come on!
Wait for it. Wait for it. All right, go.
Come on! Yay!
Hard left.
Oh, sorry. What do you think, Dalton? Big shit.
Hey, that's my workout for this year.
It wanted to so bad. I know, man.
No slow about him.
What's your confidence level?
About a 69.
Here, hold this. You look majestic as right now. I'm on
This is YouTuber Central. You have them all here. PFI, Boostedboiz, Cleetus, Roman Atwood, Vice-Grip Garage, Skids for Kids, Matt Demolition Ranch, SXSBlog. If you guys don't know, remember, 10th Scale Garage is here right now. Somewhere. The one's here. I don't know where the other one's at. He's off doing 10th Scale thing. If we won today, I think that would help make it more worth it. It's already worth it out here doing all this, but if we could win anything at all, I'd be having first, second, third. There's a lot of great competitors and actually like professionals that do this. So if we can hang with them, that can show that, hey, we can hang with them too. Confidence level is actually pretty good.
Hold on to your tail, boys!
Eyes are watering, a little stuffy because I'm allergic to something in this air. I don't need to see to do burnouts. You know, that Mr. Miyagi style. Just wrap a little bandana around my eyes and just send it.
Let's get reckless! Did you say I don't even like him?
I'm gonna go give him a kiss on the lips. Proud of you, Carl.
Did my belt come off?
Good. Your belt is on. Your belt on. Let's hear for hidden motorsports fans. Let's hear for hidden motorsports fans.
proud of Carl for the first time ever in my life.
Dude, bro, he killed that.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
That was a good burnout until it got hot.
Oh my god, it smells nuclear.
It does, because I popped down into fourth, and I'm pretty sure that was just clutch slipping.
It's all clutch, right?
Burnout Rivals. In third place, we have Carl Blazer in the Klaus The Barbarian BMW. There he is. Third place. In second place in Burnout Rivals, we have Derek from Vice Grip Garage. Solid finish. In first place for Rivals, we have Kevin Smith, KSR. There he is.
Hells yeah! Third place! No one's been more excited for third place in their life. If I didn't tap the wall extra hard, and if I actually would have popped both tires, I mean, that's what Garrett was saying. I had the most driver skill, but with that wall tap, he said that messed it up right there, and since I didn't pop tires. So I could have got first in Rivals if I popped the tires.
Dude, third place is the new first place.
It really is.
It's kind of like a C minus, really.
I'm like second.
Dude, I was stoked for a C minus.
Second runner up, is that what they call it? Second runner up?
That's right.
I love it. I placed.
You're the third winner, man.
Woo! I'm third winner.
I'm proud of you, dude.
So the first and second winner doesn't show up. I'm basically the winner, right?
That's a shit
100%.
All right, we got this. I'm happy now. That actually made my night, because after all that, I was like, oh, whatever. And then Garrett's like, third place, Carl Blazer. I'm like, well, balls are like your balls, and you're grabbing them balls.
Balls are out.
All right. Well, it's fun. Klaus is kind of hurt. There's going to be an engine rebuild video, but balls are out.
No, come on.
Balls are out!